Here's how to make YouTube videos with AI for free. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. We will use AI tools like ChatGPT for script writing. Using Lexica Art, we will generate an AI animated photo of the representer. Then, we will use Studio DID for creating AI video. So, let's get started. First, go to OpenAI ChatGPT and log in or sign up with your account. You may be asked for phone number verification for it. Now, in the box showing at the bottom, write a prompt to generate your script, like this I am doing here. Once you got the script, copy it. Then go to lexica.art, sign up or log in to generate your photo. Like I've generated one. Click the download button. Now the final step, DID Studio. You can see here no credits for the guest plan, so you have to sign up or log in here also. Once you log into the dashboard, click Create Video button. Now here are many characters, but we will upload our own. So click the plus button and upload that photo we downloaded from lexica.art. Paste your script in the box and choose a free voice from here. Once done, click Generate Video. It will estimate the credit required for it and then continue. After that, you will get a video. You can download it from there. Congratulations! You've successfully created an AI video for free using ChatGPT, Lexica Art, and Studio DID.